Right, we are replacing a faulty or broken screen of Garmin Age 520. So, as usual, you need to work your way around the edges. If you're using a heat gun, preheat the edges, but you can also use a blade to slowly, not too deep, work your way around. So this one, the ribbon is on the side. Be careful not to damage the ribbon. The only tools you need really here is a T5 screwdriver and plier tool, tweezers and a sharp blade. That's it. Carefully detach the LCD ribbon from the board, the pair of tweezers. And don't forget to clean the adhesive. So this method is proven to be the best way. With a pair of screwdriver, just work your way slowly and twist the screwdriver to get rid of the adhesive. If you try to just peel it by hand, it's going to go in pieces. It's going to be very difficult to clean it. So this is the best way by far. Obviously you learn by practice, and practice makes perfect. But you can use our experience, so you don't have to break a screen. This is the part that you need to take your time, no rush. And like I said, it needs to be nicely cleaned because otherwise the new screen replacement will not fit. Okay, looks good to me. Just with an old toothbrush, just make sure you get rid of all the residue of glue and adhesive around it. It's very important to do this. And now we use this double-sided tape adhesive to glue the new screen. So go nicely around the edges. You can purchase all of this from us. We'll leave the link of every tool that we used in this video, in this tutorial, so you can buy everything. So don't worry about where to get them. We made your life a lot easier than you think. Right, so once you're happy with the adhesive, you've done it properly, take off the tape so you can fit the LCD ribbon. Make sure you do it gently. Push it in and then put the tape back in. Apply gentle, firm pressure and just test it obviously before you close it. And it's all good. Make sure you test the touch as well.
There's no touch.
Yep, once you peeled off the tape, that's it. It's ready to go in. That's it, job done. Leave us your feedback and thanks for watching this video.